Hello guys, how you doing? Damo down at Unity. Found this Tuscany. It's a Pathfinder Tuscany. Come and have a look at it, see what you think. It's beautiful. Got some guys trying to play golf down here as well. I'll have to go teach them how to do it in a couple hours. Look at this. How peaceful, tranquil. The setting is beautiful. A couple of swans down there. Life preserver if you fancy going for a dip. Not really, can't go for a dip. Massive balcony, huge. Table and chairs outside. What, just right for a barbecue. Obviously me and Chris have got to be invited. Chris is the cameraman, by the way. Come in and have a look. Tell me what you think, because this is sublime, this caravan. It's beautiful. Look at the space it gives you. Absolutely beautiful. I think this sleeps 6, this particular one. Bit of a industrial type feel to it. You've got copper everywhere. Kitchen, still part of the conversation when you're in the kitchen. You've got a dishwasher, you've got a washing machine, got everything you need. Integrated fridge freezer. Beautiful it is. Come this way. Oh, bath as well. Industrial stroke cottagey type feel. Oh, this is nice. It's all double glazed, central heated. This is down at Unity Beach Holiday Park, part of the country club on that little development there. But have a look around. Have a look around. Beautiful. Walk-in wardrobe. Ensuite shower room. Skylights in the kitchen, skylights in the bathrooms. Come this way. Twin room, very spacious. Bank of wardrobes just there. Nice and big. And I think there's another twin room down this way, Chris. Oh, what's this? Airing cupboard, huge. Look at that for all your storage. Pathfinder Tuscany, this is. Any questions, give us a call. Telephone number's 07976 827734. Ask for Damien. Quite gladly answer any questions you may have. Let us know what you think. Chuck us a few comments. Nice to speak to you all. Cheers, Damo. Now guys, Damo down at Unity again. Come and have a look at this. Ex-hire fleet. ABI Rydale, 36 foot by 12, 3 bedroom. We're doing it at a price which you won't believe. 36,995, 2020. 2020 model. Come and have a look. Big, open and spacious. Leather sofa, you can fit about 8 people on there. That's lovely. You've got a nice big fire. Have a look around. Tell me what you think. Let's in lots of light. The only problem is we would have to find a different pitch for it. The reason why we're selling the hire fleet now, we've sold out of our caravans. We've sold so many, 15 caravans last week. So we're having to start digging into the hire fleet, which is good because that means I can do them cheap. Telephone number, if you want any information on this, is 07976 827734, Damo. But have a look through the back as well. I say it's a ABI Rydale, 3 bedroom, seats 8 people comfortably. And it's only 36,995. That includes the site fees. Now it's a 2020 model, sorry. We can still rent these out. We can do a bit of GLI on them, which is the guaranteed letting agreement. So you could get some more money off of that if you wanted to rent out. We also do funding packages. So we can make it bespoke to, oh, mind the door. We can make it bespoke to every individual person. So if you're interested, give us a call. We'd need a deposit of $3,700 and the rest we can do in finance, small monthly payments. You're in control of it. Give us a call.
Morning guys, it's Neil from Skirlington Coast Holiday Park. What a beautiful day. It's lovely today, isn't it, Mal? Sun is shining. Just giving you we've just taken this in part exchange. It's a 2007 Willoughby Granada. It comes with the decking and your site fees, and it's up for $29,995. It's a £3 deposit, just under 400 quid a month. Come and have a look. Massive decking, Mark, isn't it?
Lovely.
Huge. Full rack. If this was new, you're probably looking at £6,000 or £7,000 worth of decking. So come in and have a look. All original. All the seating, everything is all original. It's double glazed, central heated. All the fixtures and fittings are all original. Even the cooker, it's immaculate. Really good condition. You've got your fridge and freezer, sink, hob, separate dining table with 4 chairs. Twin room in there, Mark. Have a quick look. Really nice. Come in the master and have a look. Now it goes through into what they call a jack and Jill. So it goes into the bathroom this side, but there's also another door that goes into the main hallway. Big double shower, huge wardrobe, like a walk-in wardrobe with loads of space. Really, really, really nice caravan. And as I say, $29,995. If you want a bit more information, it's Neil, and it's 07826 179 104. Give us a call. Cheers now. Bye.